Welcome. We come to week 6, Wednesday. Keto week, as you know. So we are doing a fried chicken. Now, we're not going to fry it actually. We're going to break it. And instead of flour, we'll be using almond flour. And then instead of breadcrumbs, we'll be using pork rinds. So what I have here, and I've been marinating this in some egg and some heavy cream, salt and pepper. There are bone-in, skin-on split chicken breasts. So I have 6 of them. And then this is the pork rind mixture with the almond flour, garlic salt, paprika, a little bit of salt and pepper, and some Parmesan. So what we will do is we will take out the breast, we'll bread it, and then we'll put it in the oven, in this rack. The oven is at 400 degrees and we'll cook it for about 45 minutes. But the main thing here is to make sure that the internal temperature of the chicken goes up to 165. That is very critical. With poultry or with any meat, you want to make sure that you are cooking up to the right temperature, the internal temperature. So, and then we will serve it with mayo and hot sauce aioli. So that's it for today. So let's cook and let me show you the breading, and then we'll cook it in the oven. This has been in the egg mixture for about an hour, 45 minutes. So coat it well with the egg mixture, and then we'll put it here. And at this point we want to use our hands to press it in. And then dust off any extra. Should be coated well, but at the same time the extra we want to dust off. So that's one. Breaded all the chicken breasts, put it in the oven at 400 for 45 minutes. Very quick, very easy recipe, filling. So please try it. We'll come back and show you the finished product. It's about 45 minutes. Want to check on the chicken. So it looks like this is the biggest piece. So you can see it's already done. So I'm going to take it out. You always want to keep it for a few minutes for it to rest before you serve, because that way it will cook a little bit more and the juices will go inside the chicken. So we'll keep it for about 10 minutes and then we'll serve it. That's the dish for tonight. We have fried chicken, which is baked, and this is keto, so we did not use any flour, we used almond flour. And no breadcrumbs. Instead of breadcrumbs, we used pork rinds. So we also made some tossed salad, whatever we had in the house, and served it with mayo and hot sauce aioli. Hopefully you're enjoying my videos. Please do subscribe to my channel, share, and like my videos. You can also find me in Instagram, Journey of a Home Cook. Please do follow me and ask your friends to follow me as well. Thank you very much. Have a great night. Bon appetit. See you tomorrow.